Hey, science enthusiasts. Welcome to another mind-bending episode where we explore the strangest corners of science. I'm always amazed at how reality can be even weirder than fiction, and today's facts might just change how you see the world. Before we dive in, let me ask you something. Have you ever wondered if everything you learned in science class tells the whole story? Let's start with something that seems to break the rules of physics. Water that flows upward. Yes, you heard that right. While we all know water flows downhill, there's a fascinating phenomenon called capillary action that literally defies gravity. Look at this thin glass tube. When I place it in water, the liquid crawls up the sides. The same thing happens in paper towels and plant stems. It's all thanks to the incredible forces of surface tension and adhesion, where water molecules stick to surfaces more strongly than they stick to each other. Now imagine being able to hear colors or taste shapes. For some people, this isn't imagination. It's their reality. This is synesthesia, a fascinating neurological condition where senses overlap. Sarah, a musician I interviewed, sees specific colors whenever she hears musical notes. G major is always forest green, she told me, while A minor is a deep purple. Scientists studying this condition have discovered it offers unique insights into how our brains process sensory information. Speaking of mind-bending science, let's talk about ghost particles, or as scientists call them, neutrinos. Right now, trillions of these particles are passing through your body every second. They're so elusive that they can travel through the entire Earth without hitting a single atom. In fact, to catch just a handful of neutrinos, scientists have built massive detectors deep underground, filled with thousands of tons of ultra-pure water. Here's something beautiful: oceans that glow in the dark. This natural phenomenon, called bioluminescence, creates some of the most magical scenes in nature. Millions of tiny organisms produce their own light through chemical reactions, turning waves into rolling blue fire. It's not just for show. These creatures use their living light to communicate, attract prey, or scare off predators. Some deep-sea fish even use it like a searchlight to hunt in the darkness. But perhaps the weirdest fact of all concerns our entire universe. Not only is the universe expanding, which is mind-bending enough, but this expansion is actually accelerating. Scientists discovered this by studying distant galaxies and found something so bizarre they had to propose the existence of dark energy, a mysterious force pushing everything apart. Eventually, this expansion will become so fast that distant galaxies will disappear from view, leaving future astronomers with a very different view of the cosmos. These facts remind us that the universe is stranger and more wonderful than we could ever imagine. Every scientific discovery opens new questions, showing us how much more there is to learn. What weird science facts have blown your mind? Share them in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this journey through the stranger side of science, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to catch our next adventure into the unknown. Until then, stay curious.